Hi, thanks for watching the Nanny Marketplace Cooking Channel. My name's Mia.
My name's Gus.
My name's Grace. And we're going to be making brownies. Today we're making a chewy fudge brownies. And today we're not going to be making it from scratch. We got it from the box from Acme. You can do this. It's very easy. It only takes like 30 minutes.
Okay, let's get started. Ingredients are 2 eggs, a brownie mix, some water, and some vegetable oil.
You can use a beater or a mixer. And if you don't have that, use a strong hand. Your first ingredient is a 1/4 cup of water, and it's easier to use measuring cups. Always remember to wash your hands before cooking.
Brownie mix into a bowl. It's easier to pour it over a sink.
You need 2 thirds of oil. You're going to need 2 eggs. Then Mia will put in the other egg. Before we mix it up, we're going to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 before putting the brownies in.
Now we're going to mix the brownies. Grown-ups, permission, use a mixer to mix the brownies. Do it on a low setting, not a higher setting.
It should look nice, thick, and chocolatey after you're done mixing. Ooh, chocolate.
Guys, I have an idea. How about we make brownies with sprinkles?
Ooh, that has a name. It's called Cosmic Brownies.
Okay, how about we make cosmic brownies?
Yeah, that's a great idea, Gus. So, with the grown-up's help, pour some oil in and get a paper towel and just spread it out. This helps me since I'm a kid not pour too much oil on the pan and not put too much. You're going to pour all the brownie mix into the container.
Can I eat it?
No, Gus. It's for brownies, not eating. When they're cooked, you can eat them. Sometimes we try to get the bowl at the end. This part is being able to have the bowl. Time is depending on the thickness of the brownie. If you want thick brownies, 30 minutes. If you want extra thick brownies, 40 minutes. If you want really thick brownies, 45 minutes. We're gonna go in middle and do 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Oh yeah, we're doing cosmic brownies. We're actually gonna do 20 minutes. Actually doing 40 minutes, it's just since we have to put the sprinkles on in the middle, we're going to put 20 minutes, and then when it beeps, we're going to put another 20 minutes. Once your oven done preheating, put the brownies in the oven. Always know that you have a grown-up's permission. After your timer goes off, pour some sprinkles on there. Put the sprinkles on the brownies. Set the timer for another 20 minutes.
Once it out of the oven, let it sit down for 10 minutes.
You see that little crack right there? That's where the mark is from the fork to check if it was ready. Once you cut up your brownies, they're ready to serve. Excuse me, Gus.